welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jen, and in today's video I wanted to do something different. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna start baking all of the desserts today. We're actually hosting Thanksgiving this time around here in my new place. If you guys haven't seen, I posted a home tour of our new house. So we are lucky enough to host Thanksgiving. I'm kind of nervous because we still have a lot of things to get done, but I want to start baking everything today. So I thought, why not share with you guys my easy cheesecake recipe. I only need 3 ingredients. I've known this recipe since I was young. That's how I learned this recipe. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients and everything you need listed down below. I'm also gonna show you guys the ingredients, but if you guys like these videos, go ahead and let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up so I can know that you guys are interested in recipes, because I like simple, easy recipes. That being said, let's go ahead and jump into the ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the ingredients. You need a tray of eggs, or you just need some eggs. You're gonna need 2 per cheesecake, but I have a whole tray here. You need cream cheese. I really like the Philadelphia one. You need 3 bars because you're gonna do 1.5 per cheesecake. We're gonna do 2 again. And then you need vanilla extract, and you need 2 cans of condensed milk. I like this one. It doesn't really matter honestly what brand it is, but you need 1 can per cheesecake. And I also like to use a cookie sheet so I can put the cheesecakes here, and it's easier to get in the oven and out just at once, you know? And it's easier when you're baking them, but it doesn't matter. That's just a plus. And then go ahead and start your oven at 350. So I have my oven here at 350. It's ready to go. It already beeped and made noise. So we're gonna go ahead and start making this. We're gonna go ahead and open this to take the covers out, and then we are gonna blend our ingredients. Okay, now that you guys saw the ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna bring you guys down so you guys see me make the cheesecake in a second. I think the most important thing is that your cream cheese and your eggs are room temperature, so take everything out 30 minutes prior to you baking this. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna make 1 cheesecake at a time. So I'm gonna show you guys. So everything that goes in here is only gonna be for just 1 of these. So what you're gonna need is a full can of condensed milk. You're gonna go ahead and open the complete can and pour it in here. We're gonna go ahead and crack the eggs inside the blender. So that's 1, 2, and then before I throw in the condensed milk, I'm gonna go ahead and open my vanilla extract, and I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Doesn't need a lot, but it does change the flavor. It does give it more flavor, honestly. And then I'll use this here. Oh, so then we can throw the whole can of condensed milk, and with the same spoon, it could help it. The entire can. And then we are gonna use 1 full bar of cream cheese, which they are nice and soft because again, it's room temperature cream cheese. So this is gonna blend super easy, and with the spoon, help it a little bit. This blender is so good, so I'm not worried about the cream cheese because it's room temperature. And then from the other half, before I used to put 2, but it did leave it a little bit too thick, so now I only use 1.5. Okay, now we're gonna get half of this one, and save the other half. Save the other half for the other cheesecake. And that's it. Now we're gonna close our blender and we are gonna go ahead and okay, now that we're done, it does give you a very watery consistency. That's why I like to use the tray. So once I pour it here, I'm not moving the tray back and forth. I only move it from here into the oven since it's very watery. It's watery, but not that bad. And then we're gonna go ahead and pour the entire mix in here. And it gives you just enough for one cheesecake. All the extra, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the other one. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the exact same steps again so we can go ahead and get the mix for the next cheesecake, and then we'll throw them in the oven. So remember, your oven has to be at 350. They're ready to be thrown into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. I would recommend to check them at 25 minutes. Get a small toothpick or those baking sticks. So check them between 25 to 30 minutes, but these are ready. Let's throw them in the oven. The cheesecakes are all done. I don't know why I kept saying 25 to 30 minutes, guys, but it's 30 to 40 minutes that you have to bake them. So make sure to go ahead and check on them. You start seeing them to get golden brown. Let me do a close-up. I did spill some right there, so I'm gonna clean that up, but the cheesecakes look super nice. One thing I'm gonna tell you guys, since I'm baking this the day before Thanksgiving, I'm not gonna go ahead and fix them up. I'm gonna keep it 100% real with you guys. I'm not gonna decorate them, unfortunately. But I like to do different things with the cheesecakes. Sometimes I like to put chocolate. Sometimes I like to make like the pumpkin one. I've even done coffee cheesecake. These are just the original ones because I do notice that everybody, especially my family, they gravitate more to these, and they always tell me just make the original ones. But a tip I could give you guys is if you're serving this like for a party or an event, leave them like this and dice up fruit on the side. So you could put like mango, kiwi, strawberry, blueberries, anything like that. Separate the fruit and then do like a cheesecake bar or like a dessert bar where you have cheesecake slices, and then in a bowl you have fruit. And then you can also have like chocolate syrup, caramel syrup, leche Nestlé, which is like the condensed milk, on the side, so they can decorate their cheesecake their own way, or if they want it plain like this, they can have it. You can also put ice cream in that same bar, so they can go ahead and pick if they want ice cream or cheesecake, and then the toppings will be the same. I know some people like to put fruit and a lot of different things on them. That's all up to you, but honestly this flavor is everybody's favorite. They like it just like this. But for Thanksgiving, I am planning to do the fruit on the side. But since this is the day before, you guys are not gonna see that. But I did want to go ahead and mention that. Okay guys, so I'm all done with the cheesecake. If you guys enjoy these type of videos with small, simple recipes, let me know down below. Let me know if you tried this recipe. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a big like and a thumbs up. It really helps. With that being said, we'll close off the video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.